Hi everyone, this is Sandy Created the Heart, and I'm back with a giveaway. It's a Halloween giveaway, so let me go into what you can win. The winner will get this sheet of Sticko Halloween stickers. They will get this pink paisley spellcast sticker sheet. It's very long and double-sided. They will get this spooky stickers sheet of stickers. Very cool. They will get this Carta Bella Hello Fall embossing folder with the pumpkins. They will get this Halloween tag kit. It's got all of the different little pumpkins and then the jars, and very, very cute. They get that. They get the pink paisley spellcast washi stickers, and there are a couple of sheets of those. These are all brand new. 4 sheets is what you get. And then you will also get, I don't know exactly how many. I think there's anywhere between 12 and 15 spider webs, so you'll get those. And to win, it's pretty simple because, you know, it's kind of a pet peeve of mine, and I know if you run in a giveaway, you can do it however you want, and it's up to the person to decide whether they want to participate or not participate. And so I personally am not a fan of jumping through a lot of hoops, making me go and you know, join your Facebook group, join your Instagram, join your whatever. I mean, a lot of times I'm interested. If you have an Instagram, I might go and join it on my own, but share the video, add a friend, and, you know, just lots and lots of hoops to jump through. So it depends. Sometimes I'll jump through it. Sometimes I won't. And so, and I know it's because people want to get more subscribers, they want to get more viewers, they want to grow their channel, which is, you know, the main reason why, or one of the reasons why people run giveaways, is because they want to promote their channel. And I'm no different. I want to promote my channel. I also want to reward my subscribers, new and old, for joining my channel and subscribing and visiting, commenting, thumbs ups, and all that great stuff. And so that's why, you know, I do it. And of course, obviously, I want to grow my channel, but I reached a personal goal. I wanted to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of summer, and I crushed that. So I feel really good. So whoever wins will get this wonderful prize package. My only thing is, in order for me to mail this, I can only mail in the US. So if you're an international subscriber, then I will probably send you something else that will not cost me $30 to mail. So keep that in mind, that if you are a international winner, then, you know, the price package will be different. The only other thing, YouTube will say you have to be 18 years or older, and understand that this is not sponsored by YouTube. It is sponsored by me and paid for by me. So having said that, all you need to do is be a subscriber and leave a comment. That's it. I would love if you gave me a thumbs up. I'd love if you continued to watch my videos. I love all that, but all you have to do to be eligible is to be a subscriber and to leave a comment. That's it. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this giveaway.